Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your PayPal Prepaid Mastercard. First, you'll need to obtain the card itself. You can easily order a personalized card directly from the official PayPal Prepaid website. Alternatively, for immediate use, you might find temporary cards available at many retail stores. Once you have your card, whether temporary or personalized, you're ready for the next crucial step in getting it fully operational. Now that you have your card, the next step is activation. Head over to the official PayPal Prepaid website. You'll need to enter your 16-digit card number and the 3-digit security code found on the back. The system will then guide you through providing some personal details to verify your identity. This process is quick and ensures your card is securely linked to you, allowing you to set up your unique 4-digit personal identification number for safe transactions. With your card activated, it's time to add some funds. There are several convenient ways to do this. You can easily transfer money directly from your PayPal balance online at no cost. For regular deposits, consider setting up direct deposit for your paychecks or government benefits. If you prefer cash, you can add money at over 130,000 retail locations. You can also initiate a bank transfer from your personal bank account. Your PayPal Prepaid Mastercard is now ready for use. You can use it anywhere Debit Mastercard is accepted, both online and in stores across the globe. To keep track of your spending, regularly check your balance and transaction history through the secure online portal or the convenient mobile application. You can also set up helpful alerts to notify you of account activity, giving you full control and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.